I'm all about easy appetizers, especially around the holidays when you need something that you can whip up quickly. This appetizer is a baked brie and it only requires 5 ingredients. We're topping it with some apricot jam, nuts, rosemary for lots of flavor packed into those 5 ingredients. This appetizer will be ready in under 30 minutes and trust me, everyone's gonna love it. Don't forget to subscribe for more appetizer recipes coming to you soon. To start this recipe, first grab all of your ingredients. Then you'll need a mixing bowl, and to that we're going to add 1/4 cup of apricot jam. Next, we're going to chop up a sprig of rosemary. You can remove all the sprigs from the tough interior stem, and then just finely chop those. I'll link my favorite chef's knife below in case you need a new knife. Next, we're using 1/2 cup of dried apricots, and again, we're just going to roughly chop these into bite-sized pieces. Go ahead and throw those in the mixing bowl as well, and then moving on to our last ingredient, some slivered almonds. We need 1/4 cup of these. Give these a rough chop as well, and then finally we're seasoning everything up with a little bit of salt. This is going to help break up the sweetness and also enhance the flavors that are already in this baked brie. Give everything a nice mix until it's well combined, and then you're going to grab your wheel of brie cheese. Place that on a parchment-lined baking sheet, and then to that, top all of that delicious apricot jam mixture. While you're doing that, make sure your oven is preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then the cheese will bake for about 10 to 12 minutes until you can touch the outside of the cheese and feel that it's melted inside. Allow the cheese to rest and firm up slightly for about 5 minutes, and then serve with your favorite crackers or a toasted baguette. The full recipe, along with tips and tricks, will be linked in the description below.